Yeah man, welcome back to Sunday and Bones channel. You see it with the next update from Queenie and him June Plum lover cut left far. You see it. Most people know by now say Dewey go live this morning and talk up some things and talk how Queenie treat him mother. You see it, disrespect him mother. You see it. So him admit say yeah, him beat all Queenie at Jamaica for style him mother. So Queenie just do back the same thing when he reach England and just walk back for him ass. You see it. John was start looking at Queenie room man in the crowd. That's why RT boss and I say something about it already. But I'm not too astray from the topic still. You see it. But I can say the best thing happened to Dewey right now. But worse than this can happen. So better you just break up right now still. You see it. And about the paid bad man people, them we are chatting and say, yo, a green card they want and an opportunity I look with Queenie and then something there. And some bad man nigga and some bad man other people are say them things there, you see. Just go and do your thing, you know what you want in a life. Nobody no want to live in an abusive relationship. You see. And any youth, we are going to say nothing to do and shouldn't tell him mother nothing where you go on. You know a punk. But mother and son always have a relationship where a son can come to him mother and say certain things. A daughter will hide it and take abuse and them things. But son them talk up and a dirty girl them for do too. If them do that more time, enough for them life than save and cut like Dewey. Yeah, you can't see somebody in an abusive relationship and the whole on a chat foolish like on want the youth stay there. Yo, just like up a video and drop on a comment. You see it, big up on yourself.
Great woman in your life. You can't protect one, you have to protect both of them. You understand me? So if you're a mother, if me disrespect your mother as a wife, and you come and make a post of different, acknowledge you hurt where you hurt me and the betray where you betray me, but you come and make a life towards them, mom. So say now you tell your family nothing, but you still not adjust me where you take to the pastor. That not make it right, do you? You don't make no sense in no way where you do. And I show you, say, me a rebel.
Just had a few finishing touches, minus 9. But we're now.
Me a rebel. And enough I will sit down and make man take with for likewise myself. I mean, I have no more of it. And enough I will sit down and make man take with for. You just never like the way how me deal with you. Remember good way you say, man? You just, you're not relate. You say, you come and justify yourself. How me call your mother. Me still I wonder if me hear what you say now. And me start cut your mother. And that you really come on this come say do it. When you and me and your mother know say a lie you tell.
You know, show my mother. Wow, go on and tell my mother. Odette matter for come on from the phone now.
Me never say Odette matter for. Me say Odette, I will call you back.
My mother said that. She said, Odette matter for come on from the phone. Usually call. But due to the fact that you know, the little tip with she and the mother have. You understand me?
Do we run with my Jeep at Jamaica? Now my Jeep and go in a country, the same incident what me are telling about. When you come talk about mother, Dewey, you have to talk about your mother cool. In the time when I call your mother now answer me, I call her too. My phone and I say, Odette, please may I beg you, help me. That's why I'm decide, so you know. You believe me? I'm a crawl on my belly and beg the woman and message the woman and I say, Odette, me need your help. Do it now answer me, please may I beg you, help me. And the woman blocked me. That's the first time the woman that blocked me. You hear what I say? Then when after she come in and fear her feelings, I start feed me with information we do it there. I'm a feed her back and she send me the picture we do it. So when me hear the way I go say, me call, me start this mother. Me could never call him mother ask her about bank detail and this And when me said do it don't know for my wipe him at him. She said, no, this seem like that crazy. And I said, Odette, you know what me call you back. And you sit here and twist it your way with your big dirty nasty plaster. You know, sister, one piece of plastic that you put by your forehead to make it look bad. A plaster that a foreign there because it's not Jamaica that you're there. A plaster that you put by your forehead because you look sympathy. It's a patronizing secret.
I'm going to shut down a weird when I talk. You get what I say? And due to the fact that I'm not
Hey, me hear my show off about my baby mother, I give them orders, make my heart say, you know. And when she call me and I tell me, say, you send me hear him say, so me I say, yo, watch me at you. So you sit down and make your baby mother ball for you until you say she love you, you know, pay her no. And that's the same thing me I do, you know, pay me no mind. You not treat how you come do something and I rub up on a whole forehead. And from here to the morning, go away. No blood, this big dirty white plastic for your face. Take off the white plastic and show the own. What if you come here impressed? I'm sorry, I never 10 of them that you give me. You think I can left my palm once to suffer my blood good? My bitter and dark and dangerous and evil blood clots right now. Move. Move from here. Move. Move your blood clothes and me come get them. All if you know want to come back, send somebody fit because you don't have no guts. You don't have no stability. You don't know if you deal with real woman and big woman. You can't anger big blood for white eyes behind your mother ear and under her coat. Them levels there you take it. But do it a long time, I say you're weak, you know. But I love you for who you is. I accept you, you know that. Remember the day you said to me, say, crazy, men not act like you, you know. I'm a love you up and laugh. I respect that when you counteract me. Reprimand me. You have me a galang, and I hide. I got an auntie of your man till you're a man. Remember me and your name and your mama name out there. You worship your blood. Remember when I tell your cousin, say, tell Dewey, if him don't come to me by 8 o'clock, I'm going to post this something, I'm going to go on internet. Remember your remarks was, your father used to beat you so hard. So you use your childish days with your wife life. You're a gutless, bedless blood. Likewise, me that convent with me, baby, because I know you have man stress too. Talk it all who want shame and I want talk, not talk. Come chat to me. I save all of this because I want my marriage. And the boy dear me.
Me feel away. I'm afraid the two of them, I'm vexed. Right now, I don't have nothing to say to us, nothing because I'm afraid the two of them. I never want them reach us. No, so.
My vexed.
Gangster go so far in this. Them go far in this. Every gangster, two of them. So, I really didn't want them reach this stage, you know?
Bring back Dewey, come on, yo. Bring back Dewey.
I just don't talk to you still, you know? I'm good.
Cause do we have to make that decision, madam? Will you come up on the live now?
Let's just stay up on our live and carry on leave the woman.
Man, me don't dump my people then because do it send it to me. But
what's your soul, yeah?
oh.
So, yeah, no, we're for the restaurant. We should be the restaurant.
Say the restaurant.
The restaurant.
You know what people come to me from morning and I'm not come out.
Give me a fire. Sheila, what you like today?
Bombat. Anyway, my dad feel like don't know.
Why you want to like? Why you like it? Why you like from mommy? Don't mind you.
That's what I like, my friend. She should know somebody I want to.
Yes. When I time my life go 15K. But you will get my little massage. Everything there. Just me.
Well, I done mash up this morning from the phone and send me the one.
How much time relationship mash up after whole away say we done, we do man and we done, we do woman and we done, we do this and we done. Everybody say them done with everybody. So how much time you say you done with him and you come back again? I make a choose to sit in England and I move and say I'm not go back to him in the fuck go back. That's right.
Man, I don't want nobody call me, man. I'm not here.
Let them all watch it. Just tell them say don't call to the live end.
But me tell them enough time.